Hi there! Welcome to MCSI. My name is Sonia. Are you wondering how you can create a professional recording of your work for an exercise? I'll give you some presentation tips to help create videos that stand out. First, understand the goal of the exercise. For example, this exercise requires you to use web archives to view old versions of websites. You have been asked to demonstrate differences between two versions of a website. Before you begin recording your work, make sure you have open only the browser tabs in Windows relevant to the exercise. This helps direct a viewer's attention only to your work. Here is a sample recording. Begin by showing your exercise title and student ID in a text file, slide, or an image. Then navigate between the browser tabs to showcase your work. You can spend few seconds on each tab. Use the mouse pointer to point out significant findings. Did you notice how the work was demonstrated in a crisp way? You can even practice navigating through the required windows and browser tabs before you record your work. I will give you some additional tips. If an exercise requires you to type commands, have all the commands typed in a text file before you begin the recording. As you record your work, you can simply copy and paste the commands onto the terminal and show the results. All screen recording tools have a pause feature. During the recording process, it is not ideal to record activities like installing software or rebooting virtual machines for the entire duration. In that case, once you commence the activity, you can pause the recording and wait for the activity to finish. Then commence your recording. This results in a clean video. Here is a quick rundown of the tips to help create a professional video. Before you record your work, have all the windows, commands, and scripts ready. Ensure that you have open only the browser tabs and windows relevant to the submission. Practice recording your work. Create a crisp recording. Use the pause-play feature of screen recording tools if required. Once the recording is ready, review it and validate that the work is demonstrated as intended. Then you can submit your work for us to review. I encourage you to use these tips in your next video submission. With enough practice, you will be able to create professional videos in no time. Good luck! If you liked this video, please hit like and share this video on social media. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more videos like this one. Join our online community of students learning useful cybersecurity skills if you haven't already. To register for a free account right away, go to our website. Happy learning and see you soon!